UK customers cut spending via maximum because COVID lockdown in 2021. London British buyers dealing with a surge in inflation cut their spending in May via the most because the United States was in a COVID-19 lockdown in early 2021, consistent with a survey published on Tuesday. The British Retail Consortium, BRC, said total retail spending turned into 1.1% lower than a 12 months earlier, the largest fall seeing that January ultimate 12 months and representing an acceleration from April's 0.3% decline. It is apparent the post-pandemic spending bubble has burst, with shops dealing with harder trading conditions, falling customer self-assurance, and hovering inflation impacting purchasers' spending strength, BRC leader executive Helen Dickinson stated. Furniture, electronics and other luxurious goods had been hit hardest. However, fashion and beauty sales rose as human beings organized for holidays and the summer season, Dickinson said. The BRC said its like-for-like retail sales degree, overlaying best outlets open in May 2021, showed a 1.5% annual fall in spending after a 1.7% contraction in April. The figures aren't adjusted for inflation, which hit 9.0% in April, which means the fall in volumes of products purchased will had been a lot extra than the drop in money spent. Data from Barclaycard, masking a broader range of spending, confirmed spending in May was up 9.3% from a year earlier, reflecting the growing fee of dwelling and a leap for travel and hospitality which have been tormented by regulations final year. Spending on essential objects rose through 4.8%, driven up with the aid of almost 25% jump for petrol and diesel that have soared in charge. In reaction, consumers reduce again on spending on digital content material and subscriptions with the aid of nearly 6%. Echoing the BRC records, Barclaycard stated spending on furniture fell with the aid of 3.1% in May from April. Spending at restaurants and pubs and bars fell by means of approximately 6% and 1% respectively at some point of the month. The cost of living squeeze is really influencing discretionary spending conduct, Jose Carvalho, head of consumer products at Barclaycard, stated. Despite this, there are a few encouraging signs and symptoms, especially in the travel enterprise as Brits' appetite for going abroad keeps to develop as we method the summer season holidays. Spending on journey almost tripled from May last year whilst many global restrictions have been in place, and tour retailers reported a 24% increase in May from April.